Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading, and we're just testing for you this beautiful little Ishida check wire. The unit is showing that it's still within its calibration. It's recently set by Atlantic Scale. And we got a little test kit here. We're going to show you a couple of tests. This is a 10 gram sample weight. We're going to place right on the scale. And there you go, 10 right on the money. We usually start out testing them this way. This is a 20 gram test weight. There you go, 20 grams. Well, and here's a 50 gram test weight. Let's wait for the scale to 0. $50. And the scale is so sensitive right now, I can just actually put my foot right here and push on it. You'll actually see it reacts to that little bit of pressure, because obviously we're on a wooden skid which will flex some. And the scale returns itself back to 0. Beautiful little check wire. Ishida is one of the premier scale systems. We have lots of equipment in our stock for process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.